Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this tablet. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to it to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!